Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube the easy way. We're starting right now. What's up guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and go ahead and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually start generating income with YouTube, but I'm going to show you the easy way. So most people think that in order to actually generate an income from YouTube is you have to pick a niche, you got to create a channel, and you got to make a gazillion videos, fight with the algorithm, do all this SEO to get into the partner program and start getting ad revenue. Well guys, that's not the only way that you can actually make money with YouTube. And in fact, today I'm going to be showing you a super easy way that you can literally get on YouTube and start creating a business for yourself and start generating profits. And it's the super easy way. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video, and we're going to get to a strategy that I'm going to lay out for you in this video today that you can actually start employing to start generating leads and sales for your business. All right guys, so let's going to jump right into this video, and again we're going to be discussing how you can actually make money with YouTube but the easy way. And before we actually kind of get into the strategy of what I'm going to be teaching you today, is I want to kind of give you the why. Like, why YouTube? Why am I talking about this platform so much? And the reason why is video accounts for 74% of internet traffic. So a lot of traffic on the net right now, people that are online searching for different things right now, 74% guys are watching videos. And YouTube has over 1 billion users. Hundreds of millions of hours are actually watched every single day on YouTube. Think about that guys, hundreds of millions of hours are watched every day on YouTube. Billions of views every single day. Now, if I could actually take a moment just to give you a few different marketing tips, I wanted to let you know that video will actually result in higher conversion rates for your actual products and services that you're trying to sell. Video automatically is going to brand you. Video builds trust and rapport. And the reason why it does that is because when you get on camera, people can see you, they can look you in the eyes, they can see your facial expression, they can feel the passion oozing out of your voice when you're talking about certain things or certain programs or certain products. So it builds that trust and credibility with your audience. Also, using the word video in your email subject lines will actually boost your open rates by an average of 19%. So if you're doing email marketing, definitely try this, guys. You're going to put video somewhere in the subject line. Typically, you can actually just put it right at the beginning. You can say free video, shows you how to make $100 a day with no experience, or video reveals XYZ, or secret video reveals how to generate 50 leads per day. So just put video in that subject line and you'll actually start to increase your open rates, which the more opens you get, which is going to result in more clicks, which is going to result in more sales. So let's go ahead and actually jump right into the actual steps of this strategy. And again, we're going to talk about how to make money the easy way. So the step one is we're going to identify a product that we want to sell. So we're first going to identify a product that we want to sell. We're going to, in step two, research YouTube channels and videos that are congruent with that product that we're trying to sell. And then in step three, we're going to place video ads on targeted videos and channels, right? So we're going to have a product, we're going to find congruent channels and videos that are on YouTube that actually complement that product, and then we're going to create a video ad, and we're going to place that video ad in front of targeted videos and channels on YouTube. Now, the great thing about using the AdWords platform with YouTube is that you can actually be super targeted with your ad placements, and they're actually extremely cheap. So when you talk about pay-per-click advertising and Facebook advertising and the rising cost of all of that, you can actually have like dirt cheap traffic when it comes to YouTube traffic. And the good thing about when you're doing these in-stream video ads is you don't even pay unless the person is actually watching about 30 seconds of the video. So it's great exposure, they're very cheap, and they're super duper targeted. So let's go ahead and continue. We're gonna go into more depth in a second here. So in step 4, you're gonna drive those prospects to a sales funnel or to a webinar. And then in step 5, you basically are going to analyze the results and scale the winning ad. So where can you actually find products to sell? So you know in step 1, you have to find a product that you want to actually sell. So you can find products on ClickBank, there's JB Zoo, there's Warrior Plus, there's private affiliate programs, there's webinars, and you can actually sell your own product. So then the next thing you have to do is actually create a video ad. So that's the next thing you need to do. So a video ad, in my opinion, should be about 2 to 3 minutes long. And what you want to do in this video ad is a few different things. The first thing you want to do is grab the viewer's attention. So this is kind of like a pattern interrupt, guys, because you got to think about it. The people that are seeing your video ad, they really didn't click on the video to see you. They clicked on the video to watch whatever they wanted to watch. So what you have to do is grab that viewer's attention like a pattern interrupt and get their attention really quickly so that you can get them to focus in on you for the next 2 minutes and watch your video ad so you can give them the information they need to get in order for them to click on your link and go to your website. So what you want to do again is grab the viewer's attention. So you may have seen some video ads out there where people are, in their baller cars, or they're in some expensive mansion, or they're popping out on the beach, or they're in the swimming pool. What they're doing is they're trying to do that pattern interrupt. They're trying to grab your attention and get you to see like, wow, they're in a big mansion, they're in this nice car, okay, they're in a Ferrari. Let me watch this a little bit longer. You grab their attention. So you don't have to really like get a fancy car or a fancy house to do this. Just be creative. You can even say something that in your messaging that may be a little like out of the norm to like grab their attention, but just try to be creative and do something a little bit different to grab that person's attention that is watching your video. Then you want to basically give quick value and pique the curiosity of the person that's watching your video. And then you want to drive them to a squeeze page or some sort of sales funnel where you can actually continue the sales process. You want to grab them, get their lead, because they may still want to watch that actual video. So you want to get their information and send them to a sales funnel, a video training, an ebook, a webinar, something that you can follow up with that person so that you can kind of continue the sales process. So now we're actually at step 3, and that's where you're going to actually do your video placement. So you have your product picked out, you've created your compelling ad that's going to be, creative, it's going to grab their attention, it's going to give a little bit of value and pique their curiosity to want to go to your website. And then you have to focus on targeted placements here on YouTube. So you're going to be targeting YouTube channels in your niche, and you're going to be targeting specific videos that again is congruent with the product that you're trying to sell. So here on the screen, this is an example. I took a screenshot of what the video placement section looks like in the back of your AdWords account. So you can get very granular when it comes to actual targeting here on YouTube. Again, you can target by demographics, gender, age, household income, interests, any specific topics. And then this little section here where it says placements, you can actually target YouTube channels. You can target specific videos. You can target specific websites. And your ad can be placed strategically in front of channels that are going to help boost the sales of your product, or videos that's going to help increase the sales of your product. So let's actually go through a few video placement examples. So I actually went to YouTube and I took a screenshot of this and I typed in "make money with affiliate marketing." And as you can see, there was a number of YouTube channels come up, a number of videos that could be a potential good target for the product that I'm selling. So basically you could take a look at these different videos, see if it's going to work, see if it's congruent, and you could either target that specific YouTube channel. so that like your videos pop up when that YouTube channel, when people are looking at that particular YouTube channel, or you could just target that specific video. Like if this is a video that really talks to the product that you're trying to sell, then you can actually put your ad in front of that specific video. Here's another example where I put in make money with CPA marketing. Again, if I really like this video here, and this guy here is talking about CPA marketing, and I know that video, I've researched it, is getting a lot of traffic and is at the top of the search engines, I could literally have a product or a sales funnel that is selling a CPA course. And I could get in front of this guy's video and I could say, you know, hi, my name is John McNeil, and if you want to know a quick and easy way to start making money with CPA without any prior experience or technical knowledge, I have a free video training for you that you can get by clicking the link below, and you can get access to it right away. And if you have some results, you can kind of throw those income results on the screen, something to, again, grab their attention and get them, pique their curiosity so that they go ahead and go to your website or your sales funnel or your webinar. Here's another video example where you can actually target specific groups of people. So I typed in legendary marketer reviews. So if I wanted to target people that are in legendary marketer or people that may be looking at legendary marketer, say for instance, I want to sell a traffic product. Again, I could target, because you know this is a program that a lot of business opportunity seekers are in. You could target these specific videos, guys. You could say, hey, if you're looking to generate more leads and sales for your legendary marketer business, I have a traffic strategy that's going to explode your legendary marketing business. What you got to do right now is you got to click the link below and get my free ebook, get my free training, or get whatever, go to my webinar, right? So it's so amazing that you can literally get in front of any target audience you want, and you can pinpoint the specific videos and the specific YouTube channels that are already generating a lot of traffic on YouTube right now. You're going to put your ad in front of the videos that are getting traffic. So you didn't have to spend time creating all this content and fighting with the YouTube algorithms. All you have to do is pay your pennies. You pay your pennies and you're going to get in front of these big marketers that are getting all the traffic already, and you're going to siphon some of that traffic from these marketers onto your list. And then you're going to generate leads, you're going to generate sales. And by the way, if you don't know my man Chris from the channel Benji's Dead, definitely pop over to his channel and check him out. The guy's a beast when it comes to affiliate marketing. So go ahead and check Benji's Dead out and tell them I sent you. So now you guys are probably thinking to yourself, John, this is all great. I know I can create a video ad. I know that I can get targeted traffic. I know that I can actually get thousands upon thousands of visitors every single day for really cheap. But how do I do this step by step? How do I actually put all the pieces together? And I'm glad that you are actually thinking that, because ClickBank themselves have actually come out with a course about YouTube advertising. As you can see here, right here, I'm actually in the back office of the actual product. It's called YouTube advertising, and it's specifically for doing YouTube ads, what we were actually talking about in this entire video. So they have an instruction section, they have a section on setting up your actual YouTube channel. So they actually kind of go through, you know, how do you set up your channel? How do you set it up for monetization? It talks about optimizing your channel. There's several videos in here talking about how do you create videos, how do you do keyword research, and then it gets to a section where you're actually running the ads. So this section is all about, you know, breaking down the ad types, creating an effective ad, going through the whole step, analyzing all the data, and even some alternative ads they talk about in this course. And there's a section on how to actually scale up all your winning ads. So this is a great course that I actually went through, and it was done by ClickBank themselves, and it's really, really cheap. So that's really the best news. So I actually have a link in the description below for this actual course. Again, it's extremely cheap, and you can actually get it for an even more of a discount through my link below in the description. So this will actually help you, especially if you're starting from absolute scratch and you're going to create a brand new YouTube channel. This is going to help you step by step go through the entire process where you're creating your YouTube channel, how you actually do your video ads, how do you get your keywords, how do you target, how do you scale up, and everything in between. You can find it all at this course. And again, it's a discounted course, and you can get it in the link in the description. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. And in the comments below, let me know if this is a strategy that you think that you're going to employ in your affiliate marketing business, or if there's anything that you want to add to some of the content that we talked about today in this video. So we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.